Hello everyone, one of my subscriber requested I made a video on how I made this beautiful flower design on this gown. Let me take you through the process very quickly. Thanks for watching. A subscriber on my channel asked how I made the flower petals for my birthday dress, so I'll be showing how I made the flower. So the things I used are these glue gum and these petals. These petals I use it for decorations and the rest. So this is actually what I used. Yeah, these petals are of different color. Then I used my invincible thread and I used my beading needle for it. So now I'll be owning my glue gum. So you can see these petals, a lot inside, a lot. So you can use 4 petals, you can use 5 petals, depending on your choice. I have to wait for some minutes for my glue gum to be hot. So now that it's hot, so I'll just take it. You can see my gun on it. Now put just a little bit, then I'll take another petal, attach it to it like this. Just small. You can see the way I'm placing it on it. I'll take another one again. You can also use fabric glue for it if you have fabric glue, but me, I'm just using glue gum. So you can see how beautiful the flower is. You can see. So this is how I made the petals on the dress. So this is 5. You can actually make 4. Just a little bit. So this is 4 petals. So these petals are of different colors, so you can just get different color, blue, purple, in the market. You have to be careful with this hot glue, because as its name implies, it is hot. I literally just burnt myself now. So if you can't undo a hot glue, it's better you use fabric glue for it. So I went ahead to make 6 roses. So you can see how the rose is looking, very pretty and all. So if you don't have money to buy expensive roses in the market, you can actually try this petal method, and it's actually cheap, affordable, and it works. So I'll just go ahead to use my invisible thread and my beading needle to just stack it down at the middle to my fabric, and it looks so pretty, affordable, like no one would know. So these are just the petals. So you can get of different colors and the rest. You can get petals of different color. So these are the flowers I made. So to attach it, I can just fix it like any design on it. This is a pinnable dress form I did. So if you want to learn how I did this pinnable dress form, the tutorial is on my YouTube channel. You can actually just put it on your dress, different design. Just set it. You can arrange different designs. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So the same thing I did for the top, that's the same thing I did for the gown. I just attached the flowers to the dress, then I used the invisible thread and beading needle to tack it to the dress. That's how I made the beautiful flower details. So this is how my dress turned out to be. I really loved my dress. I loved my pictures. I received a lot of compliments. Thanks for watching to the end. Bye.